In today's fast-paced digital world, marketing has become more complex than ever. Businesses are constantly looking for ways to streamline their marketing strategies and maximize their return on investment, ROI. One powerful tool that can help achieve these goals is email automation. By automating your email marketing efforts, you can simplify your strategy while increasing efficiency and effectiveness. The problem: overwhelmed marketers. As a marketer, you know the struggle of managing multiple campaigns across various channels. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks involved in creating, sending, and tracking emails manually. This can lead to mistakes, missed opportunities, and wasted time. Furthermore, with consumers being bombarded by countless promotional emails every day, it's becoming increasingly challenging to cut through the noise and engage your target audience effectively. How do you ensure that your messages stand out from the crowd? The solution: email automation. Email automation offers a solution to these challenges by streamlining your marketing processes and enabling personalized communication at scale. With automated workflows in place, marketers can save time while delivering relevant content to their subscribers based on their behavior or preferences. Simplify campaign management. By automating repetitive tasks such as list segmentation, scheduling emails, and personalizing content based on user data or actions taken on your website or app, you free up valuable time that can be better spent on strategic planning or creative development. Increase efficiency. Email automation allows you to set up triggers that automatically send targeted messages when specific conditions are met, such as welcoming new subscribers with a series of onboarding emails or following up with customers who have abandoned their shopping carts. These timely interactions increase engagement rates without requiring constant manual intervention. Improve personalization. One-size-fits-all messaging no longer works in today's hyper-personalized digital landscape. With email automation tools' advanced segmentation capabilities, you can create highly targeted campaigns that resonate with your audience. Tailoring content based on subscriber preferences, demographics, or past interactions significantly increases the chances of conversion. Enhance customer journey. Mapping out a customer's journey is crucial for delivering a seamless experience and nurturing them towards making a purchase. Email automation allows you to guide subscribers through different stages of the funnel by sending relevant messages at each touchpoint, from awareness to consideration and finally, conversion. Optimize performance with data insights. Email automation platforms provide detailed analytics and reporting features that give you valuable insights into how your campaigns are performing. By tracking metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, you can identify what's working well and what needs improvement, enabling data-driven decision-making for future campaigns. Conclusion: streamline your marketing efforts today. In conclusion, email automation simplifies your marketing strategy while skyrocketing ROI by saving time on repetitive tasks, increasing efficiency through targeted messaging, improving personalization efforts tailored to individual preferences or actions taken on your website or app. By automating your email marketing efforts using advanced tools available in the market today, such as MailChimp or HubSpot, businesses can optimize their performance with data insights while enhancing the overall customer journey from awareness to conversion. Don't let yourself get overwhelmed by complex marketing strategies any longer. Embrace email automation today and experience the benefits of simplified processes and increased ROI firsthand. Remember, simplify your marketing strategy plus skyrocket ROI equals email automation.